Okay, here is the website, and you can see the name here, the Bezier game. So this is not a tutorial, this is just a game where you can play a game by drawing splines. So by playing the game, you are improving, you are learning how to draw an articulate spline. This website is going to be super handy and will help you out to be a master in drawing splines. So you can see the website address is bezier.method.ac. I will add this website link in the description of the video, so you can check out the description of the video. So let's play a game by drawing spline. Here you can see two lines which are connected to each other, but if you hover your mouse over one of the edges, you can see the mouse point turned into a pen icon. So if I'm going to click on this corner or this edge, I can see one red dot, and connected to that I have a spline here. So I just want to click on this area, and it's just guiding me one node's remaining. So I can just click on here, and yes, our roto is completed for that specific shape. Now we have somewhat little more complex shape. So I'm gonna start here, click on here, okay, click on here, here, that's it. This is little more complicated because this is a circle shape. Normally we have the circle shape inside Silhouette or New, but if you want to master the craft of drawing splines, click on here and okay, done. Pretty much this is all about the game. You can learn to draw and become a master in drawing different shapes. I hope this game is going to help you as a rotoscopy artist. So if yes, please comment it down. I will try to find like these websites and make videos of this kind. Hope this tutorial is useful. Till next time, it's Manu signing off. Bye bye.